What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Merry Christmas Eve. Hope you're enjoying the festive season. I want to go over Gala. I don't want to go over Polygon. We're seeing a little bit of a bounce, but we still may be going through the correction, seeing at 0.039, up 15% in the last 24 hours. Market cap 1.46 billion. 24 volume 279. If we pop into the chart, you are starting to see a bounce, but we could easily still be going through the correction. And this is an ABC, which completes a W. You push up an X. You come down in a wave Y. Unless, oh, fuck off. Oh, pardon my French. W, X, Y. Done. Oh, that's why. Get it together, Jax. W, X, Y. Thank you very much. Unless we can come up and break this high, which is the B wave high. If you were to come up and break the price target of 0.05458, then you could see a straight breakout. Otherwise, we can roll and continue to go through the correction. The main reason I think that is because I think Bitcoin will likely do that. Come down to A, push up in a B, come down to C. But if you see a straight breakout, then the rest of the market will obviously follow. And taking a look at Bitcoin dominance, it is getting rejected in our target zone. So if Bitcoin dominance falls out of this channel once again and heads down, then obviously the altcoins are just going to explode. But as of right now, if we fail to break 0.05458, then we can roll over and go through a WXY before seeing the nice big bounce to the upside. If you look at Gala here on the weekly chart, beautifully came down to the support we dropped in, retested those weekly EMAs, and now it's seeing a little bit of a bounce. So you would want to come up and break that level to see a straight breakout. Otherwise, I do think you could push up, roll over, see one more drop before the continuation back to the upside. But if this level is broken at 0.05458, then you're good to go. We're in multiple trades right now. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you need to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN. All around the world, including North America. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in Canada and the US. Takes 30 seconds. Sign up. Send me an email. You get completely free access. One of our members posting trade signals all day long. Includes my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, my Forex signals, what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. It's a massive value, and you can join completely for free with a sign up to BITUNIX. Just send me an email. Most people will charge $50, $100 a month. I just want to help you reach financial freedom. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.